Today I got my hands on an iPhone 11 Pro. This one was a 256 gig model. And I'm just going to do a little bit of an unboxing and just my overall thoughts of it. So the box itself is all fairly standard Apple. I don't believe it has the same majestic feel as it once had around the iPhone 4 and 5. Just a quick comparison of an iPhone 6 Plus and an iPhone 6S. This falls somewhere in the middle, which I definitely don't mind. With the mostly all-screen display, it'd probably have a similar overall screen size to the 6 Plus and the 6S Plus. Definitely still larger than the iPhone SE. And that's the exact same story when compared to the iPhone 5C. So lifting it out, I'm not sure if I like the multi-leveled style of the front-facing cameras or the rear-facing cameras. Yeah, I don't like the look of it on a phone, but I like the industrial look of the cameras themselves. What I'm finding is on the flat edges of the rounded square, you can definitely feel a lip there, which I'll go back to that in just a minute. The frame of it, very similar to the iPhone X or the XS. It's the same body, the same type. I'm just recomparing the front of it. So if you're going from an iPhone 6, I don't really see this extra size to be too much of an issue. You'd definitely notice if you went from a 5 or an SE. And I'd say the iPhone 11 Pro with a cover would probably give you a similar feel to a Plus model iPhone. But I'll quickly jump back to the rear-facing trio of cameras, where this lip right at the top here, even just grazing a finger on there, leaves skin cell or just dry skin on there. So I definitely see that would be a very frequently damaged location on the phone, or essentially scratched up and cracked. You can kind of see it just there above the LED, on just the right angle. So I definitely see that would be a thing that would be becoming quite a common repair in the future. Inside the box, got headphones as usual. Very standard, or not quite so standard, Lightning to Type-C. And one thing that I'm glad they've finally changed, we have a Lightning port, and it's actually supporting Power Direct. Where the older revisions of the iPhone, you'd just get the 5 volt 1 amp charger. This one is considerably more powerful, which I think is excellent. Especially for the price that you're paying for this device, it's a bit disappointing it didn't come with that sooner. We have the standard Apple stickers. So I'll put that back. It's funny also being the Pro version, it's kind of hoping for AirPods. Negative. We have Lightning headphones included in here. Overall, at least you don't have to buy an adapter. Yeah, that's just the end of the quick unboxing of an iPhone 11 Pro. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.